when you reflect, when the engine of your reflection is really in full optimum speed, actually you can recognize that there is no mind. There are a great number of books, perhaps countless pages of writings and all kinds of explanations and descriptions and interpretations about mind. The entire domain of psychology is the study of mind, sometime back, of course. Now, the gradual inabilities of various researchers have restricted psychology just to the study of behavior. Mind, consciousness and all are not that much popular. And there are n number of treatises of the ancient rishis of India and the great esoteric traditions which talk about the nature of consciousness. When I reflected, I have discovered that actually there cannot be something that is normally understood and discussed and talked about and referred to, or that denotes the mind, or what I call the referent reality. There is a referent reality of the mind, the way the mind is normally discussed and understood. Perhaps a better term would be consciousness. And that I have explained. It is nothing but the continuity of sense signals, actual energy signals being perceived by the being registered, or continuous signals of actual physical energy triggering or stimulating or inducing corresponding energy variations in the biochemically produced electrical field of the central nervous system, the brain, the magnificent nature process called brain. So in that continuity of the firing of countless neurons, in which or by which the parallel continuity of retentions of the images, of the feelings, of the shades and colors and contours and distances and sounds and other sense data, perceiver, that aspect. Even that also is maintained by the same electrochemical energy fields of the brain. That is why the rishis called the world is an illusion. In that sense it is an illusion. Of course, that matter, that energy, they are definitely there, but the nature of images and other perceptions being retained are maintained by the continuous firing of the neurons. Altogether, again, the total field of consciousness sometimes called mind when emotions and ideas and other feelings are dominating. Otherwise, it is called pure consciousness. Consciousness is a better term. By the referent reality, consciousness is a better term than mind. Yet, definitely, it is there. Once that consciousness is there, all that are being talked about it are also there. It is the thesis or the report that entire consciousness is nothing but a continuity of neuronal wirings, and therefore there is no mind the way even normally people think and conceptualize about it. It is about the details. When your attention, the third attention, reaches the level of details of the mind, then only it is realized that there is no mind. The so-called Zen concept of the mind of no mind. But for all practical purposes, for all so-called reality of experience, there is the mind. Of course, so many unique chambers of the mind, unique structures and designs and properties of the mind. Of course, there is. That great drama, that is very real. But this firm understanding or this firm clarity, again maintained in the continuity of retention of concepts and thoughts, can definitely work with the other engines of the intellect to facilitate greater awareness about the total reality of the so-called universal mind itself, or rather the universal energy field. If the energy field within the central nervous system is creating all that is in your mind, there is a different kind of energy field, little more non-organic, a mixture of organic and non-organic energies of the universe. So this is only a slight variation. The energy that maintains your mind is only a slight variation of the energy fields, the vast infinite energy fields, at least in this planet Earth. Through the gates of these concepts, if you can approach the referent reality of these concepts, your attention can perhaps reach, or rather the energy of your attention can fuse with the energy of the universe around. Thank you.